afternoon everyone. Back out, Snowdonia this time. Ogwen Valley. We have just parked on the car parks down the A55, round about there, and we've come up this path here. And our kind of mission today, we're doing a wild camp on Glynder Fawr. Very hot. It's like 30 odd degrees, like, so just taking it nice and slow. And yeah, we're trying to find a place where a few people I think apparently have camped on. Whether it'll be free or not, don't know, but if it's not, we'll find another place. I've just come back from Oasis as well, and my legs are feeling tired already from dancing away last night and things like that, but hopefully, fingers crossed, take it easy going up. And yeah, what more could you ask for? The views are stunning today. Trifan over there, just over the top there. Ogwen Lake, someone's in a canoe there, don't know if you can see him. Yeah, there's Louis, just emptied his bladder. So yeah, we'll give you a further update as we get up there. It's hot, isn't it, mate?
Yeah, it's a hot one.
Hot one. So yeah. Okie doke. We'll speak to you later.
Bye bye.
Over and out. Hello. Half an hour in. Busy trail, obviously you can imagine, with it being a nice day. Louis, we've just come up this from the car park all the way up here, stopped at that waterfall and drenched our heads. Yeah, looks like someone's swimming over in the background there. Can't see them, just round here they are. So yeah, still very hot, but we're just taking our time. So doing alright, Lily, aren't you?
Yeah.
So give you a further update as we're on the trail. Alright, cheers. Bye. Hello. Yeah, so making good progress. Probably a mile in now. So we're on the wide Gribin track trail. So it's straightforward, straight from the car park, and literally just climb up straight away. It's quite a decent descent, especially when it's hot. Here's Louis just having a break here. It's a bit of shade here, isn't there, mate?
Yeah.
How you getting on?
Fine so far. Just a bit tired on the legs, innit?
Hot, innit?
Yeah.
So, but yeah, if you turn you around, that's what we're looking at. So yeah, so we're doing all right, making good time. Probably get there about 6ish. Give us time to find our location and pitch up. So yeah, we'll give you more of an update when we're further up. Okie doke. Alright, cheers.
Right. Hello everyone, we've just completed a little scramble. Coming up to Glynder Fawr. We're coming up to it now, it's just over there.
Tough little number.
Yeah, little sketchy scramble, but we got through. So as you can see over there, that's where we're going. And I think what we do, we're coming down here and there's a little cliff just like below there. We're gonna be camping. Oh, we can see obviously Grib Goch and Snowdon. And yeah, there he is. Right, we're just we're coming. Yeah, coming up to the summit now. Over there. Let me see, there's the summit. We done this one in December in the winter, and it was absolutely windy and it was absolutely freezing. So we also have that on the channel as well. That's up on there if you want to watch when we done it in December. So we done it via Devil's Kitchen, that one. So yeah, here we are. Touchdown, Glynder Fawr. I think that's how you pronounce it anyway.
The elevation in the on screen.
I think it is 1001, I think, I'm not too sure, around about that anyway. So yeah, we're just, we'll stand on top of it, why not, eh?
Mid-central here.
Yeah, loads of midges about because it's absolutely boiling. It's been about 30 degrees today, around about that. Here we are, touchdown. Right, yeah, and we'll show you where we're coming down from now on this little cliff camp. We've saw on YouTube, Joe Explorer's done it, so feel like it gave us a bit of inspiration. The camp looked good and nice views and everything, overlooking that over there. So yeah, we'll give you an update in a minute. See you later. Bye.
Right, made up. We found the place, like, so the directions were alright from Joe Explorer's video, like, so, but look at this, pan you behind here, look at that for a view, and then this is where our camping spot is tonight, and look where it's looking over. And that's where the sun, hopefully the sun will be going down over that way. So maybe there eating his, wow, he's got our sweets. Look at that for a drop though.
Our sweets.
so yeah, won't be on the toilet anywhere close to the tent. Victory sweets, yeah, go ahead mate. So yeah, there's, you can see Snowdon and Grib Goch in the background. Done them. So yeah, look at that. Look at the midges though, but these are things you've got to put up with, I suppose, if you're out in the mountains and things like that, aren't they? So yeah, gonna have a chill now, put the tent up and have a chill. So we'll speak to you in a bit, won't we, Louis lad?
Yep, see you later.
Speak to you in a bit. Bye. Over and out.
Right, hello everyone. We've just come up a bit from where we're camping. We're on this another little ledge, and we can literally see our camp spot, and you should see the views here. Give you a little show. That's where we're camping. So yeah, we've it's been alright, hasn't it?
Yeah, a bit tired now, like, to be honest with you, but more so because I was at Oasis yesterday as well, like, which didn't help. But this view's it's brilliant, like. So we're gonna get an early night. Well, I am anyway. Louis probably will as well, but yeah. But it's a great little spot. So yeah, so appreciate you finding this.
Joe Explorer.
Joe Explorer, if it was Joe or whoever, I think, wasn't it in a newspaper as well? But yeah, I really appreciate it, because look at that, especially on nights like this. So yeah, we're going to get the drone up and try and get some footage on the drone of maybe Grib Goch and Snowdon before the wind gets up a bit. It's not meant to be too windy, but the drone always moans about it being too windy, so we'll put some drone footage up as well, like. So alright, speak to you later.
See you later.
See you later. Over and out.
You're right, everyone, we've just watched the sunset over right there, over Paris and Llanberis and that. So yeah, we're just settling down, about packing everything up. So yeah, it's been a hot one today,
Yeah.
and it still is hot now. I'm just in, as you can see, just t-shirt, shorts, and just bare feet. So yeah, it's absolutely boiling. So yeah, just settling down, about to go to sleep, and we're going to be waking up at 5 in the morning to watch the sunrise. So yeah, we'll see you at 5 in the morning. See you later. Bye.
See you later. Morning everyone, it is currently 5:36. Yeah, so we woke up about 5 o'clock, just before 5. Actually my alarm went off at 4:45.
I didn't know your alarm, to be honest.
So maybe,
yeah,
so that quite windy last night, but tent stood up well. Got new poles for it as well, so that was good. So they were a new test for it. All good. Weather looks pretty much similar to yesterday, maybe with a bit more wind, as you can see. So, yeah. So we're gonna probably set off. Well, once we're ready, we're just having our brekkie, just having a cereal bar and things like that. Pack up, put the tent down, and then we're gonna go down back to the car via Devil's Kitchen. So yeah, we'll probably try and do a few videos coming down Devil's Kitchen as well, because I haven't seen much footage of Devil's Kitchen really online. Have you, Louis?
no.
So we'll try and do that. So good night.
Yeah.
Didn't sleep great because of the wind, but probably managed like maybe 2 hours max, I reckon. But we're setting off early anyway today to go home anyway, so be able to get some Zeds later on, won't we? So yeah, so all good. Great spot, unbelievable spot. Like definitely will be coming back here again when the weather's decent again. Because it's great, dead chilled as well. So and it's off the track a lot as well, so people won't see you here either. So, which is always good. So yeah. So I'll give you an update when we're starting to go down Devil's Kitchen to give you an idea on what it is and stuff like that. Okie doke, over and out. Hello. So we're probably halfway down Devil's Kitchen now. So scrambling. I don't know whether if any of us have done it. It's quite tough on the feet. Like there's quite a lot of scurry. But already seen a few trail runners. They're absolutely machines, by the way. All trail runners, just machines. So yeah, and then we've seen someone pretty much on their hands and knees going up Devil's Kitchen. So we're just taking it easy. We're not in any rush anyway. Like we've set off early, so we're not in any rush. Louis got his poles out to help him grip a bit.
Yeah.
So yeah, so we're not far. Probably about, I'd say about a mile and a half, 2 miles away from the car. So we parked it on the A55 in the free car park. So it's yeah. So it's all good. Sunny, very sunny. There's a few people wild camping. I think you can see them over there. Maybe I'll see a red tent, like just there. So, and then when we were up at the top there, round, where was it, Louis? The lake where they were all camping round.
What?
Your lake, you know.
Llyn Idwal.
Llyn Idwal. There's a few people, looks like they're camping round there as well. So yeah, I think it's definitely attracted a lot of people over the weekend, the sun, like, and definitely to get in there as well. So coming down now, thinking fucking might actually get in, but wait and see. What?
If it warms up a bit.
Yeah, if it warms up a bit, it's a bit it's not as hot as yesterday, like. So yeah, so we'll give you the further update when we're down by the lake.
Llyn Idwal.
Okie doke. Llyn Idwal, yeah, so. Alright, speak to you soon. Over and out.
They're trad climbing and everything.
Just stopped here because there's a few climbers going up the wall. Don't know whether you can see them. Yeah, and further up somewhere.
Trad
They're like little dots. Hello. So yeah, we're at the bottom of Devil's Kitchen. Well, we're miles past it, to be honest with you. This is the start of it. You can see it all the way up. But it's not too bad, to be honest with you. When it's a bit wet, it's quite slippy. But can you see on the top there's some climbers? So yeah, I think I'll stick to scrambling. So Louis likes a bit of climbing, don't you, mate?
Yeah.
Bit of bouldering.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I think we're gonna get in the lake next, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's gonna probably be freezing, but we've promised ourselves we'll get in it. So yeah, we'll see you at the lake. Stop biting me feet.
Fuck off, biting me.
Come on now, mate. That's it, just get your shoulders in. It isn't that cold, mate. It isn't that cold. That's it, now get your shoulders in. There you go. Yeah,
Come on. Whoa! Fucking let's get to this island. Whoa! Come in.
Yeah. Oh, it's lovely that, mate. Hey, what more could you ask for? Okay, so we've just finished swimming in the lake at the bottom of Devil's Kitchen, and now we're just making our way back to the car, which is parked on the A55 car park. The highlights of the 24 hours was a tough scramble up Wide Gribin, leading us to the summit of Glynder Fawr, and then dropping down to our cliff top location, looking over Llanberis and the views up to Grib Goch Ridge and to Snowdon and Triffin. So all in all, a magnificent location and a magnificent camp. Just want to thank Joe Explorer for highlighting this location to us on his channel. And what we'll do now is we'll just leave you with a little video looking over the Ogwen Valley and one of the lakes around that area. So if you like our video, please subscribe and like the video as well. Until next time, over and out.